Welcome back to my channel, Life is Lakeisha, and it's snowing. Okay. And look what I got on. Yes, my kids wanted to come out here so bad. Y'all, it is freezing. Where's Lanaya at? There she go. It is freezing out here. How you gonna make a snow angel and you talking about it's cool?
It's in my shoe. It's in my shoe. It's in my shoe.
Y'all, my kids are crazy. Welcome back. And I'm in my bed resting. Y'all, we is currently snowed in. And I just been, now get this cracker right here off the floor. I just been sleeping and watching YouTube, watching TV, sleeping, eating, of course. Here go Lanaya.
Or hibernating.
Yes, hibernating. I ain't been doing nothing. When I say nothing, I mean I ain't been doing nothing but cooking and cleaning the kitchen. Cook, clean the kitchen, eat, cook, clean the kitchen, eat. And sleep. I've been getting the best sleep ever. Y'all, look at my kids. Look at Lila. Naya. Watching TV. Y'all, I don't have nothing really to record. Oh, look at her. Look at that sweet baby in the bed. She faking, y'all. But let me show y'all my backyard. Wow. Ooh, it's so sunny. Can y'all see?
But it's not nothing.
All that snow back there. Yeah, so we are currently snowed in. Ooh, I love this sunlight. Yes. Now look at her, y'all, trying to sneak out the bed. But we're not doing nothing, as you can see. Just chilling because we're snowed in. Tennessee don't know how to act when we get a little snow. And yes, it's just a little. And here go DJ. Room is a mess. Look.
I want okay. What?
We had a delivery coming from Target, so we also going to give a shout.
Did you want to say cake piece?
So I baked a cake yesterday, and he been asking for a cake since this morning. Let's see. Pick that up for Delilah get it.
So we're also giving a shout out to him, but also we sent some of these to Zanky, so his video will be out.
He's just watching TV too.
So make sure you check out
YouTube. And here go Delilah right here that was acting like she was just so. Look. She go from room to room. Delilah. She don't want me to be. She don't want to be on the camera. You so pretty, Mama. Hey, Mama. Your crusty face. Okay, guys. So, as y'all know, on every vlog, I have dishes to wash. in the bed with you? And cuddle?
Yeah, because one time told me, yeah.
At my room?
Yeah.
I don't recall that. Y'all, I'm in my daughter's bed watching her TV. Don't mind her TV stand. I'm working on getting her TV stand. These are the 2 side tables. The tables you eat on. Yeah. Y'all, I'm in my daughter's bed. I get the craziest angles, but we just gonna have to make it do what it do. Her bed is comfortable, more comfortable than mine. How is that even possible? But anyways, y'all, I really don't have nothing to vlog with, honestly. And then I don't want to get on here and tell like all my business, because I got like people I know that watch me. People from my town, I guess, and they nosy. But I actually kind of got a headache, and I'm probably gonna go get in my bed and watch some YouTube. I've been wanting my the people I watch on YouTube to upload, but then I forgot. Dang, it's people that want me to upload too. But I mean, we're not doing nothing. I plan on putting this video out. Well, when y'all see it, this is earlier in the day. And then I plan on recording something tonight for y'all. Well, 2 videos for y'all tonight. I got something planned. But yeah, we're okay. It's snowing. I ain't been to work all week. Well, I was only scheduled for 2 days this week, and I called in one of them because my car is still in the shop. Yes, update on that. My car is still in the shop, and I took the rental back Monday, and that was a whole mess. That was a whole mess. Done, because I've been talking to the repairman. I believe my car is finished. It's just who finna drive to go pick it up, and I'm not even going nowhere. So yeah, but I'll see y'all on the next. I know this vlog wasn't nothing, but I wanted to put something out. Y'all, I done lost 3 subscribers. Let me see.
2.
No, it's 3.
You say you got 38, 39.
So how many I done lost?
1.
3, 40, 41, 42. Because I had like 42 subscribers, and I lost 3 subscribers. I don't know if it's because I just ain't been vlogging and uploading, but I mean, y'all ain't told me if y'all want to watch the vlogs where I really ain't doing it, or do y'all want to wait till I'm doing something? I guess I'll just post whatever. I at least want to make it to, okay, I'm at 39. How much should I make it to, Naya? I need to give myself like a mini goal.
100. No.
Look, turn around, look. No, I'm at 39, so that's a mini goal I can make it to.
70?
70? Till when?
What do you mean?
I need to get 70 subscribers, but you know, like, what's the goal date? By end of March?
Yeah.
Okay, so the goal is 70 subscribers by the end of March, and when we make it to 100 subscribers, we're doing a giveaway. We said that in our mukbang video, seafood mukbang video. Yeah, so I have the iCard somewhere up here, so you can go back and watch that video if you have not watched it. And if you haven't seen a couple days in my life starring me, ding, then click out. But matter of fact, don't click out this video because this video almost over. Go watch it after you get done watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Y'all, one of my subscribers said me and my sisters are so beautiful. Thank you.
I'm cuter and beautiful.
She said me and my sister. She didn't say my daughter. Anyways, thank you so much. I told my sisters. They were just all in awe. They was all in awe. Like, yeah. But anyways, hope you like this video of me doing absolutely nothing. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And share my video. Get my videos out there. Yeah, because we on the road to 70. Peace.